ready to go?
I think she's driving, Russell.
Alright, well, let's get in, Jake.
She looks ready to drive.
Well, we don't have the ability to complete anything, so we are going to make this video
Instead.
cruising.
Yeah, all of our projects are waiting on parts, and we know some locations of some cool old cars sitting in bushes and, you know, driveways, streets and stuff around here. Really old neighborhoods back behind Russell's house. So instead, we're gonna take the baby because we're on baby duty tonight. We got Millie in the back. Say hi, Millie.
Hi.
She loves you guys, I swear. But we're gonna cruise out in the Chevelle and just take a look at what we can see. Go car spotting.
Yeah, there's, you know, me and Jake set a specific day to kind of make content or work on things, and
We're waiting for parts.
the S14 needs the injectors from getting tested and cleaned. The Ford, actually that Ford generator just got dropped off, but
Yeah, but I need the ballast resistors are showing up tomorrow.
oh, gotcha.
That we need.
So we're waiting on that as well. And we're waiting on the sending unit, so it's kind of, we can't really finish anything.
Right.
Even the Chevelle.
Even the Chevelle.
That's cool. I like how it died right when he got out of the shop.
Still isn't running perfect. Do we need gas? We should be
No,
fine.
it should be. It's like bogging though, weird. It's been doing it lately.
Interesting. We'll look at that
You've
later.
been just driving it. I don't care.
But, yeah,
anyway, what were you saying?
Tonight we're gonna go car spotting for cool classics around Russell's house in some old neighborhoods.
Yeah, there's a couple of. I think there's a Cutlass I want to show you guys.
Well, let's not spoil it.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
We'll just see what we find.
We have a handful of things that we might drive by purposely.
And we'll probably find some stuff we haven't seen yet.
Hopefully. And then we can lowball them in real life.
Yeah, we could lowball someone on camera for you.
Best I can do is $1,000. Dude, I left my wallet at the house. It's alright.
That's all right.
Hopefully you have money.
I have $2. That's a low ball if I ever heard one.
We're screwed. We're in a Chevelle that freaking cuts up. We have a baby in the back and no money.
Yeah. Although Millie loves car rides in the Chevelle.
She does. She's loving it right now. Look at her.
We can't see what her facial expression is, but you can on the GoPro back there.
Right now it is her bedtime in like 30 minutes, but we're gonna prolong that by another 30. So
Yeah. When
the sun goes down, she's going down.
when Daddy Russ and Uncle Jake are on baby duty, bedtime is later than normal.
That 283 screaming.
That 283 is screaming.
Put her to sleep, probably.
It does run like a sewing machine.
Yeah, it really does.
That nice, even vibration from the 283 might just put her to sleep back there. And more stuff.
Alright, well, I'm gonna turn to this neighborhood since this guy wants to ride my ass in his gas Honda. Sorry.
That's fair.
I know you're a Honda guy, Jake.
That's all right. I am wearing a Honda hat right now.
The house is like.
They have a trampoline. When I was a kid, if you had a trampoline, you were rich.
That is true. I don't think I'm in the wrong neighborhood. I'm wrong. I'm just kidding.
Dummy. There's a old dually Chevy truck over there, though.
That piece of shit.
That's pretty. I think those are cool.
I think my buddy Pete's house over here. Don't show that.
Nice house.
Nice house, Pete.
This is the house with the trampoline. Again, when I was a kid, if you had a trampoline, you're rich.
Yeah, look how many windows the house has.
Yeah.
The more 16 on the friggin'
the
one
more
level.
windows you have, the more expensive your house is.
Yeah.
That's basic house math. That's a horse. Was it a real horse? I can't tell.
Okay, Mills?
I can't tell if it's a real horse or a fake horse over there. Yeah, I think it's a fake horse. That's a fake horse, by the way.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, dude.
That's a statue.
The thing's silver.
I can't see it from
Dude,
here.
show the horse, dude.
I did earlier. I mean, I can't
At first, I was like, what are you talking about?
It's not silver.
That thing's
it's
white as a ghost.
There are white horses. You ever seen Pegasus?
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, but
There's white horses.
I think you were just hoping it was a real horse. And that's okay.
I mean, a little bit. I kind of do want it to be a real horse. Millie, you good? When the seat is locked in place.
You'll know when she ain't good.
Yeah, that's true. She do cry.
I just taught her how to jump off of her toy chest into her bed.
Oh.
So that's what we were doing before coming here. I think there's a square body up here to the left.
You don't know anything.
No,
I don't
don't.
trust you anymore. You said that 3 times and there's been nothing.
Well, maybe they're driving. Maybe they got them running and driving.
Maybe.
In a day. Because that's what old Chevys are. All they need is a day of love.
Yeah, 1 day of
If it
manual
dies,
labor.
1 day of love. Oh, dude, that's a straight dog. Look at that dog.
There's a whole family of deer you're missing.
Oh, dude, what?
Why didn't you stop?
Dude, I'm sorry. Oh, dude, I was looking at cars.
That's a buck.
Dude, first of all, look at that. I know it's not a dog, but look at that Ford truck.
Oh, hold on. Stop the car. I want to see it. We'll see it on the way back. That is a cool Ford.
I know. I want to turn around. Dude, there's so many deer in that guy's front yard.
This van's cool, though.
You want to get in it?
No. But it's a cool GMC van.
I think he had another cool car here last time I was here.
Dually. You got some Rams back there.
Look at Millie. She's doing the same thing.
It's a cool truck.
Sweet.
But this is all the deer that are in this guy's yard. Holy crap.
You know how inconvenient for animals if this thing chopped obnoxiously right now? They would be scared.
Yeah,
they wouldn't be able to enjoy this.
It'd be cool. I'm not trying to like impede on people's privacy, but if there's something parked in the bushes or on the street, yeah, I'll look at it.
What did you say, baby? Yeah?
I agree, Millie. Whatever you said, I agree.
She's like, bedtime? That's probably what she was saying.
Right. No, Millie, it's not bedtime. It's look for cool cars time. Russell kind of wants to keep the Chevelle, but I feel like if we keep the Chevelle, we have to do more things to it. So, comment down below if you think we should put a hog-ass cam in this 283. Because I think we should, because I want to make it chop.
You should edit like the Hulk Hogan mustache on your face when
I say hog-ass.
Yeah. Hog-ass cam.
Comment down below if you think we should put a hog-ass cam in the 283.
Comment below if you think we should put, I don't know, new quarters, fenders, and a trunk
do that
pan on this.
But the cam comes first.
I kind of like how this is quiet and the only thing you're hearing is like the suspension squeaking.
Yeah, but think of the suspension squeaking would be drowned out by a hog-ass cam, and then that would also inadvertently fix the suspension because you wouldn't be able to hear it squeak anymore.
That is true.
So that's basically fixed.
That is very true.
That's like when I hear the squeaking in my Prelude, I just turn the radio up and I'm like, it's fixed. Can't hear it anymore.
You also kind of hear the trunk pan flapping a little bit because there's a body mount bushing back there that's not
doing anything
mounted. So
there's a body mount bushing that's supposed to connect to part of the body that's no longer there.
This guy's got some cool cars. That Thunderbird up front.
Yeah. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it. There's a Thunderbird back there. A white one. It got T-boned on the other side that we can't see. There's a real horse. That's a real horse over there. I don't know if you can see it because of the sun. That's more exciting. It actually moves. Here's my favorite car we've ever found.
I bet it is.
Coming up right here. If you know anything about me,
it's a Dodge Charger.
No. It's not those, but it's back there. Oh, it's gone. It's literally gone. Oh no, it's not. He moved it. Dang it, I missed it. All right.
There's a handful of cool cars in this neighborhood. I wonder if you can see it without getting out.
There's some, dude, I don't know. Yeah, you can see the nose of it. Of the Edsel, I think it is way back there.
Do you want to get out and show them those two?
Because there's also the front of a truck and something.
I want to know what's in the garage, dude. I want to know so bad. We're going to find who owns this garage, and then we're going to ask them what's in the garage, because if he's got cars like that sitting on the back side of the garage, that means there's nicer cars in the garage.
Unfortunately, the mics are hooked to this GoPro, so I'll have to voice over what's back there. Or I can talk about it right now. Looks like there was an Edsel, a 4-door. I didn't know it was a 4-door. I knew it was back there. Then I can see the tail fins of something else from like mid to late 50s. It was green. I could not tell what it was. There was also a step-side truck back there. And what looks like the back of an El Camino almost, the black car.
Really?
Looked like the back of an El Camino or a Ranchero bed. A lot of cool stuff, but yeah. If that stuff's in the bushes behind the garage, I wonder what's in the garage, because that looks like the red-headed stepchild stuff. Maybe whatever is inside the
there's just like a nice Chevelle in there, nice fastback.
But still, it's just such a shame those were abandoned back there. I bet you they're rusted away, being tucked in the weeds back there, especially in Missouri. The amount of moisture and snow and stuff we get, they're probably destroyed. And I bet you they were once decently nice and got parked there, and the owner thought, I'll get to those eventually, and then never got to them. Unfortunately, the trees have taken most of them over. The Edsel's the only one that's really like you could get to, I think.
There's a car behind us.
The other ones are pretty tucked away.
Anyway, there's a Cutlass right there.
Stop. Oh, and the mailbox is right in the way. There is a
Sorry.
Cutlass back there.
Supposedly that guy's part of the Cutlass Club or something
Looks like
like
a
that.
red convertible.
Look at this Charger. I think this Charger's cool because, like, obviously I detail, so like I
That-
could totally see myself transforming that car.
That would be a good detail. That thing is
We should
trashed.
I did have an idea. What if we offered people like free like mobile details for cars like that? Like, don't go too crazy with like a paint correction or anything, but
like a YouTube video?
yeah, just like knock on the door like the lawnmower guys, like, hey,
That'd be a good idea.
yeah, what if, you know,
You could do it for that Cutlass guy.
yeah, like what if I offered a free detail on the car up front? Like, oh, you know, no, thank you. Like, it's completely free. We're offering, you know.
There's that Edsel again.
There's that entire garage. Like, I just want to go and find out who owns that. You know there's cool cars in there. You know it.
Slow down, I want to see the Prelude.
Screw that thing.
There's a 3rd gen Prelude back there. Look at it, it's so sad and alone.
Look at that ATV.
Shut up.
I'm just saying, that'd be cool to have.
I have a 3rd gen Prelude. I have a soft spot in my heart for that.
Is that in the middle of it?
Oh, I'm out here. Yep, there it was. They got a boat back there too. Man, I mean, I don't want to know how long that's been sitting there and whether or not he would sell it.
He probably would sell it. It's
I'd
sitting
give
in the back of his fucking yard.
That's true. I wanted to go to a good, I want to fix it up. Make it like my yellow one.
Do you want to drive the Chevelle, Jakey?
Sure, I'll drive the Chevelle. You can drive the Camera.
This is where the neighborhood gets crazy.
I know, but I've driven back here a couple times since we did.
All right,
And
I'm hopping out. Don't kill us.
Kind of figured it out.
Don't kill us.
I don't even have to get out. I'm just gonna slide over. All right, here we go. Russell's on the camera, which means we're gonna have terrible footage for the rest of
Dude,
this.
I am good at this.
Hi, Millie. She's enjoying those little rice cakes you gave her. All right, so there's nothing immediately down here. You don't need to record yet.
I'm not recording it.
Okay.
I'm just staying prepared.
He's just staying very prepared. That house, that one's got the two. They look basically
Oh, dude,
abandoned.
it just turned off.
Just hit this.
Oh.
2 abandoned-looking C4 Corvettes over there. A tan one and a maroon one.
There you go. I think we got it, bro.
Those are early 80s, like 84 to 88. You can tell because of the way they are. The earlier C4 Corvettes have the black trim piece that goes around it. Later, they were paint matched. This is a house that has the car under the tarp. We can't figure out what it is. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, though.
It's got to be an A-body. I don't know if we'll be able to even get
Yeah,
it.
the sun is crazy. You can barely see the top of it. There's some sort of A-body Chevy or something under that tarp. It looks like a Cadillac from the outline of it. Is that recording?
Yeah.
There's
I
some
love
old-
how there's just a bunch of junk on it. It kind of looks like an old Pontiac, too, because how big it is.
Yeah, it might be. Yeah, there's so much junk piled on it. That guy ain't never getting to that project.
Yeah, no kidding.
At least doesn't look like it. There's something over
There's
there.
something in the tarp. I don't know what that is, though. What do you think that is?
That looks like 90s Beamer or something. The wheels in the front
It
bumper
almost-
reminds me of something German.
It does look Beamer. It does look like a 5 Series almost.
I like this Impala over here.
This
There's
is
like
5 Series, but yeah, that Impala's
there's
cool.
glimpses of blue in all the primer, which makes me think it might have been close to the color of this car. I think that's an Impala. They have the triple tail lights.
Yeah. Not a huge fan of them, I'm not gonna lie.
I love those Impalas.
Really?
I think they're so cool.
Well, to each their own, brother. They're not my favorite. I think the best booty is the Chevelle booty.
The Chevelle booty does look good. Oh, we were also talking about blacking out that like tail panel on this car. Like some of them are. I think that would look cool. Like on the SS's.
Yeah, I think so. I think it would just help just because this obviously is like all messed up anyway, so.
Yeah, so who cares?
Yeah.
Put some new fenders on the front, maybe fix the quarters. Put a hog ass cam in it.
She said hog ass cam.
Millie, can you say hog ass cam?
I used to be in choir. I was the head of choir in middle school, then my balls dropped. I hit puberty the week of the concert. And then the music teacher goes, listen, son.
Listen, this ain't for you. I played violin.
He's like, you suck. I was like,
I played violin for like 3 or 4 years, sucked at it the entire time, and stopped.
that's weird. I feel like you're pretty good at this motion.
That's messed up, dude.
Oh, look at that.
What is that thing? Oh, those are like old Ford Fiestas or something, I think.
I'm zooming in, baby.
Little hatchbacks. I think that's a Fiesta. I don't know what that silver one is. It looks like the same car, just maybe older. They're not Hondas or anything, or maybe a Geo. Interesting. Cool old hatchback.
Interesting.
He does have another Ford Fiesta there, a newer one. Interesting.
Pretty neat.
Pretty neat. It's no 67 Malibu, but hey, there's a Monte Carlo. 85 G-body Monte Carlo. Honestly, it looks pretty nice.
Not too bad.
That one's not in bad condition.
Got that one. I like how you did that neck thing to get that on the cam.
Did you get my neck?
I got your neck.
You bastard. I don't want to show my neck. What,
The Mercury is up here to the right.
Is it this one?
How you doing?
There's a Dodge Magnum, though.
Yeah, look back here. It's either in that. There's a car under the cover. Then there's, I think it's right here. Oh, it's gone.
No, it's there.
Oh, there it is.
It's super far down there.
I wonder if you can zoom in or crop. But yeah, dude, what do you think that is? That almost looks like an old Chevy.
50s, yeah, maybe a Chevy.
Yeah, I seen that. I was like, that's sweet. It has a white top on it.
Yeah, that is cool. It's a two-tone with the white top.
Yeah, that's sweet. But yeah, I seen that. I thought of, you know, obviously us.
It's like an old ambulance or something. Ambulance truck.
Pretty cool.
Got like a box on the back of it. So weird, or just some business. Hard to tell. There's a door on the side of it. I doubt it's an ambulance. But
I said, got an M8 or something back there. What do they call that car?
Yeah, it's an M8 or M6
Terrible.
maybe.
Terrible car.
It's getting dark.
It is getting dark, and it's past Millie's bedtime.
It is far past Millie's bedtime.
Well, I guess we'll wrap this video up here. You know, we figured to give you some sort of content for the night. We really want to keep doing this YouTube stuff consistently. We have a bunch of stuff in the pipeline, but nothing's getting done in a timely manner. So,
well, a lot of stuff's waiting for parts, and we didn't want you to wait weeks and weeks and weeks for a video. So we thought we'd go car spotting. That was pretty fun.
Yeah.
And just cruising the Chevelle with Millie. She's doing great back there, but it's a little past her bedtime. We kept her out later than we should have, but you know, Mom doesn't know.
Mom does not know.
So Uncle Jake and Daddy Russ are going to do what they want, but now we kind of do have to take her home because it's almost dark. Like how I called you Daddy Russ.
Can you say that again?
Daddy Russ? You like that too much. That's weird.
I don't know if I like it actually. But it's new still. It's all new.
We're gonna take her home, take the Chevelle home. I think that'll be it for this one. We'll see you when this Ford project is a little more finished. Although you probably don't even know about that yet.
No, you guys do not.
Now you can get excited for it. We got an old Ford we're working on, another barn find.
We'll put it right here in the video, just so he could tease it.
Just a little picture of it, maybe.
Yeah, that one's gonna take probably another 2 weeks to really get it to where we can present it to you guys, or probably longer. So
yeah, maybe longer.
But it's gonna be super worth it. We're transforming this car, a genuine barn find that's been sitting for 25 years. Yeah. It's actually probably the most exciting thing we've done, other than the Chevelle video.
Yeah, it's kind of like the Chevelle.
And
almost.
It's kind of weird. It's like, for me, it's like all of these things are coming into fruition from doing things like this. Like the Chevelle was kind of like the thing that caused that momentum to where we got the 50 Sport, and we have other few things in the pipeline that will give us YouTube content and make us some money at the same time.
Hopefully.
So
maybe.
Yeah, we're gonna end this video here. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out check us out on all our social media platforms on Retro Auto Detail STL.
Like and subscribe for more cool car content. That's what I was trying to say.
Share this video so I can put a trunk pan in this thing.
Yeah, and a big block. And a posi.
And a 4-speed. 5-speed.
4-speed. Borg Warner 4-speed.
Ooh, what if we put a supercharged LS in here?
No, big block's cooler.
Alright, anyway, we're ending this video. Thanks for watching.
We'll see you in the next one. You goober!
That is really rad.